Here in the heart of Belding, the season paints the world in shades of gold, a reminder of how beautiful change can be. Our brand ambassador stopped by one of our recent projects, a stunning deck repair that transformed this home's outdoor space. We removed the old borders, refreshed the handrails, and brought this deck back to life, just in time to enjoy the magnificent fall view. This view, it's something you don't want to miss. The golden leaves, the fresh finish, it all comes together perfectly. And we weren't the only ones impressed. The neighbors stopped by, loved the work, and even scheduled their own appointments after seeing what our professional installers can do. We're so glad we got to visit Bill, checked out the final results, and saw his excitement for what's next. A brand new roof before winter arrives. At Infinity Home Improvement, we make sure every project feels like a dream come true, one home at a time. Infinity Home Improvement, improving homes and inspiring neighborhoods.